Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak English Daily.
Wait, before you scroll, tell me honestly, how many of you feel stuck speaking English even after learning it for years?
That's so common. People study for months, even years, but when it's time to speak, everything disappears.
Exactly. You memorize words, do grammar exercises, watch videos, but then, poof, you can't form even one simple sentence.
And that's because most English learning focuses on reading and writing, not real conversation.
Today, we're going to change that. We're giving you real-life dialogues you can practice every day.
These are the dialogues you can actually use tomorrow, today. But before we start, quick reminder.
If you want daily English lessons that actually help you speak confidently, hit that subscribe button right now.
Seriously, one click can make your English improve faster than months of passive studying.
And we promise no boring grammar lectures, only dialogues that work in real life.
All right, let's dive in. This is Master English with daily real-life dialogues.
So, David, how's your morning usually go?
Mornings are my enemy. My alarm rings, I hit snooze 3 times, sometimes 4.
Classic David.
And then I look at the clock, panic mode activated.
Same here. My brain wakes up 2 hours later, if I'm lucky.
This is why starting your day with small phrases is important.
Like saying, good morning, or how's your morning going?
Exactly. It sounds simple, but using them daily trains your brain for conversation.
What about breakfast? Do you eat?
Sometimes. Sometimes I forget food even exists.
That's dangerous.
I call it intermittent fasting by accident.
But phrases like, do you eat breakfast? Or I forgot to eat are super useful.
You can use them every day, even if it's just with a friend.
Let's imagine losing your keys again.
Oh no, here we go. I swear, every week I lose my keys somewhere. My bag, my pocket, sometimes even the fridge.
The fridge? Really?
Yes, it happened last week. I opened the fridge, nothing, but then keys.
That's hilarious. But see, these small daily situations are gold for English practice.
I can't find my keys.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, I did.
Check your pocket?
Already did.
Boom, real dialogue for daily life. Let's move to cafes, my favorite.
Mine too, for breakfast and for practicing English.
Okay, imagine we're at a cafe.
I walk up and say, "Hi, can I have a chicken sandwich and a latte, please?"
Perfect. And I'd say, I'll just have water, thank you.
Haha, healthy choice.
Simple, polite, natural. Exactly what beginners need to practice.
Mini story time. You'll love this one.
Oh no, I'm nervous. David once walked into an elevator with a stranger,
Oh no, I remember this.
and he said, enjoy your meal.
I panicked. I didn't even see any food.
The stranger wasn't eating. He just smiled awkwardly.
That's why real-life practice matters.
Exactly. Practice small dialogues daily, and you won't freeze in these moments.
Workplace dialogues are next.
Perfect. I ask, David, can you send me the file?
Sure, I'll send it in a minute.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
No problem. Did you finish the report?
Almost. I just need your feedback.
All right, I'll check it now.
See, simple exchanges like this happen every day in offices.
And practicing them improves fluency fast.
Now, a shopping dialogue.
Yes, I love pretending to shop.
Okay, excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $25.
Do you have this in medium?
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Can I try it on?
Sure, the fitting room is that way.
Boom! Real English that beginners can practice daily.
Mini story time. This one is funny.
Oh no. Last week, I went to a store. Cashier said, "Have a nice day."
Normal.
And I panicked and said, "You too, love you."
What?
Yes! Awkward! But that's why daily practice is crucial.
Haha. Yes. Avoid embarrassing situations by practicing.
Airport dialogues are next.
Super useful.
Okay, where is gate 12?
Go straight and turn left.
What time is my flight?
It's at 4 p.m.
Are we late?
Just a little. Better hurry.
Simple, natural, daily English. Doctor visit scenario.
Oh, scary.
Doctor, I feel tired and dizzy.
How long has this been happening?
2 weeks.
Any other symptoms?
Just headaches sometimes.
Take some rest and drink water.
Boom. Practical phrases for beginners. Family conversation now.
Yes, very useful.
Mom, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
What are you cooking?
Just some vegetables. Want to help?
Yes, I can chop them.
Simple, realistic dialogue that beginners can memorize.
Let's do a long, natural flow of daily moments.
I love this.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes.
Why sometimes?
Because I'm lazy.
Honest.
What about you?
I exercise in my dreams.
That doesn't count.
It counts in my world.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza, obviously.
Healthy for happiness?
Exactly.
What's your favorite movie?
Anything with food in it.
Wow, relatable.
What time do you sleep?
Late. Overthinking kills me.
Relatable.
What makes you happy?
Food.
Again?
Of course.
What makes you sad?
Empty fridge.
Haha, exactly.
See, this is daily natural English.
Easy to repeat, easy to learn, easy to use.
Last mini story before we finish.
Oh no, I'm nervous.
Don't worry, this is about my first attempt with a native speaker.
Here we go.
I said, "Hi, my English bad is very..."
Oh no.
The person stared at me.
And?
I ran away fast, very fast.
Haha. Yes, guys, practice prevents this embarrassment.
Final messages.
Speak every day.
Use short dialogues.
Don't wait for perfect English.
Make mistakes. Learn fast.
Practice with friends, mirror, even your cat.
Cats are great listeners.
True.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking.
And see results faster than you imagined.
All right. We'll see you tomorrow with a new lesson.
Take care and keep speaking English every single day.